Hi. Would that be all? Great choice. I love grape.
What honestly is a good choice if this soda is going to eventually cause me diabetes? This is not grape. This is artificial flavor. And that comes from something that isn't edible, like petroleum, and then processed to create chemical flavors. That would make it a rather lousy choice, don't you think? See how uncommon violence among humans. Maybe I shouldn't give us too much credit. We are animals after all.
But at least we're rational animals. We've always had the capacity to choose and feel remorse.
Our history doesn't count. In fact, we have no history. There is only the present moment, this particular problem, and the most expeditious solution, and choice slows us down. I've heard about this.
You have?
Well, no one will shut up about it. I get it. Small town, big tragedies. People talk, but nobody cares. You know, the only reason that people care about the same thing at the same time is because someone or something else has chosen that for us and it's fed to us. On television, on radios, the newspaper. It's simple, but powerful. Now I heard she was just caught at the wrong place at the wrong time.
I heard she had dark hair. Undeniable charm.
Tu vas me manquer.
How could she possibly save herself while standing in the mouth of a wolf?
Tu m'aimes?
Oui, je t'aime, je t'aime.
Il y en a que pour 2 jours, c'est ça?
Love is not a choice. She'd never want to love someone who would ask so much of her.
Tu dois garder un œil là-dessus. D'accord, mon petit ange?
Ok.
She was a beautiful woman.
John? John, c'est toi? Je croyais que tu devais arriver que demain.
It's our instinct to avoid mercy, to survive. You think I look like a killer?
You are.
I know you don't have a choice whether to live or die, but neither do I. Trust me, I don't want to kill you.
You're wrong. You have the power to choose who you are, to change.
I'm sorry to oppose you. It's the law of survival. The beast acts at last to save its own life, to survive. Oh man, that is so good! I told you! Oh. Wow!
I choose not to be like you.
Where to?
You choose.